Chito Victoler of Magnolia. Coach, I'll start with you. Halftime tabla, third quarter, it looked like you were gonna pull away, nakahabol. Just your thoughts on how the game was played out and how you got this victory. You mentioned mas marami pa nga yung turnovers nyo kaysa sa assist.
Yeah, first of all, thank you. Papasalamat kami sa Panginoon sa panalo namin. And we talk about the first half, we're disrupted eh. Medyo disrupted yung offense namin because of the defense of Blackwater. And we have a lot of turnovers on the first quarter. I think more assists, more turnovers than assists. And I talked to the guys about execution, moving the ball, finding the open guy, and be smart on the execution. Kasi yun nga eh, disrupted nga kami. So yun lang, ginawa lang namin more patience on offense, and at the same time we want to be more aggressive on the defensive end, so to create also turnovers para kahit paano may easy points kami.
Coach, you are now on a 3-game winning streak, and despite dealing with injuries in and out, what do you think is the biggest factor dito sa tatlong dikit na panalo nyo?
I think our competitiveness and our effort, our aggressiveness on both ends of the floor. I think yung ano ngayon, yun yung pinag-usapan namin eh, with our yung mindset namin nung yung Hinebra, that's where we're also kumbaga nandun kami. Kaya lang sa dulo lang kami natalo na. But on NLEX medyo bad preparation talaga kami. And yun, nag-turn around kami, and I talked to the guys, I talked to the leaders, Paul and Mark and Rafi. And we need to get serious, and we need to have that competitiveness in practice. Maganda lang doon, medyo nabuo kami with the pagbalik ni Aris, tapos ngayon si Asyong, si Jeric nandyan. So nabubuo yung ensayo namin kasi talagang yung mga ilang weeks na talagang hirap kami dahil wala kaming sa practice eh. So now nagiging competitive ulit yung practice namin, lumalabas sa game.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Mark, back-to-back player of the game honors, and despite playing through an injury, ano nagfu-fuel dito sa magandang pinapakita mo the past games?
First of all, I will thank my Lord and my Savior. Nalo kami ngayon, wala na injury, both teams. And sa question mo, siguro motivation lang is parang every game, every practice namin maging enjoy lang kami lagi. Especially ako, nag-enjoy lang ako ang sa stage ng career ko. Siyempre, yun yung motivation ko na every game, every practice na nag-compete ako. Kasi ako yung tao na gusto ko yung ma-challenge siyempre sa mga bata, para makita ko rin kung hanggang saan pa ako maglalaro. Yun na may motivation ko.
Now, you're playing hindi ganun ka-heavy yung minutes, pero very efficient yung laro mo, quality minutes, and yung timing din ng pagpasok sa'yo ni Coach Chito. If you could share with us yung mindset mo, knowing na hindi nga ganun matagal yung minutes, and then crucial kadalasan pa pagpasok pa.
Yun din yung gusto ko eh, kasi siyempre gusto ko rin na sa elimination hindi masyadong heavy minutes, kasi ilang games na rin ako na heavy minutes. Siyempre nag-step up yung iba, kaya ngayon nakabigyan sila ng chance na paglaro. Kaya yung mga iba, yung minuto ko na last 2 games na parang heavy minutes, siyempre ngayon nabibigay rin sa kanila. So maganda para sa akin yun. It's going to the playoffs, hindi naman bugbog sa paglalaro.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.